Hi, welcome to Artist Academia. Today we'll be learning how to draw Barney and Ron from the movie Ron Gone Wrong. So to start, I'm going to draw Barney, and I'm going to start by drawing his head. So I'm going to draw a curve. It goes all the way down like this, and up like that. Next, I'm going to extend up his face like that. And I'm going to start drawing in his ears and his hair. So his ears are quite large. So I'm going to draw two big curves for either ear. And I'm going to draw a couple curves like that to show the inside of his ears. And then I'm going to start drawing in his hair. So he has a big swoop, comes down his forehead. So I'll just draw a big curve like that. And then draw a line there. And another big curve like this. And a line there. And a line there. And then I'm going to draw some zigzaggy lines. And I'm going to make them purposely uneven to make it look like hair. So there's a big part up here, and then another part on the side here, and then a part that comes down on this side. Next, I'm going to draw in his nose. So I'm going to draw a big curve for the bottom of the nose, and then have a curve up like that for the side. And then a curve for like a half smile, like that. And then I'm going to draw two ovals for his eyes, one on each side here. So draw one, nice oval over here. That, and then draw two circles in the middle for his irises, and then little dots for his pupils, like that. And then I'm gonna draw two eyebrows. So one like that, just draw a line, make it a little bit thicker. And then I'll draw another line like this for his other eyebrow. Next, I'm going to draw in his neck. He has a very skinny neck, like that. And draw a curve for the top of his shirt. And draw another curve like this. So he has, I'm not sure, I think he has a shirt on top of another shirt. So that's why you have two collars showing there. And then I'm gonna draw two angled lines like this for his shoulders. And then have come out and flare a little bit for the edge of his top of his t-shirt. Curve right here. Line. So you can start to see the upper part of his t-shirt. And then I'm gonna draw a big line like this. Like that. And draw the bottom of his t-shirt. And then he has a shirt underneath it, so we'll bring down another bottom of a shirt underneath the shirt. And then for his hands and his arms, I'll start drawing like that. So draw a line like this and then draw a little curve at the end. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. And draw a curve and a curve like that. Line like that, and another curve like that, and that's the bottom of this shirt And I'm gonna draw in a couple crease lines in this shirt, like that. And then for his hands, his hands are gonna be down, resting by his side. So I'm gonna draw a big loop like that on either side. That's for his thumb. Line, curving like that. Draw another line. Draw another curve and a line on either side. And a line like this. So that's his pointer finger. And then I'll draw a curve here, line, 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 line. So when you want to draw like hands like this resting by the sides, they're not going to be the same height. So you gotta go up. It's almost like a staircase of curved lines. Line, and this one's gonna walk all the way up. Line. Next, we're gonna draw his legs. So his pants start really skinny at the top, and then they flare out toward the bottom. So I'm gonna draw something like that. So I'm gonna draw these nice creases, flare out, and then do 2 curved lines on either side. And then we're gonna draw the bottom cuff of his pants. So line, line, curved line, so like that. And then I'm gonna draw kind of some of the creases here, just like that. And then for shoes, I'm gonna do a big curve on either side and another curve. The only thing left is I'm gonna draw in the stripes on this t-shirt. So right around here, draw 2 lines really close together, and then another line, and then another one underneath it that's really close to it, like this. And that's Barney. So all that's left is drawing Ron. So to draw Ron, I'm gonna start by drawing his, I guess you would call them feet. So we're gonna draw a line here, a line there. And then I'm gonna draw a big curve like that on the outer part of both of those lines. I'm gonna curve on the bottom like that. And then draw a big line going up. Draw a line here, and one here, and leave a space here because he's gonna have a fanny pack on. And then I'm gonna draw a big curved line like this. Curve, curve, another curve connecting that. This is the upper part of his, this like the part of his hat. Curve, curve. Actually, we can connect these all the way across like that. And then this nice curved part of his hat. So this is like the pom-pom, or what do you want to call it, on top of his hat. And then I'm going to draw on his arms slash hands. So they're basically 2 ellipses, or I guess 2 ovals. So they're gonna One's kind of holding down here, one's like that. I'm gonna draw in its fanny pack. So that's the strap, and then I'm gonna come down here. I'll just do that, and that's his fanny pack. And then for his eyes, draw 2 lines like that. And I'm gonna kind of curve them together. And then for a smile, line, line, and across. And you can make that a little thicker. So there you go. That's how to draw Barney and Ron from the movie Ron Gone Wrong. Now it's time to color. Thank you so much for joining me. Great job. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss another art lesson.